What's up guys, it's me Jimmy again. So here the Sharpie clear view. Don't worry, I'm gonna demonstrate to you here. It look quite nice. Well, this is my iPad. Okay, get away from the frame. As you can see from the back, always know when to stop. Smear guard. I mean every nearly Sharpie or highlighter say that they are better. I mean the anti-smear, but at the end of the day it make a big mess, as you can see. Let me show from back. Okay, here we go. And then I'm gonna also test on a book, maybe this African entrepreneur book. Okay, but first I wanna do some basic, like, is this my drawing? I'm sorry. Okay, let's get started. It seems quite nice. I can do like a zigzag. If I do zigzag, it will be like this. I can do like in a portrait manner. Okay, that's enough. But now is the real test. Don't worry, I have a bunch of Sharpie already. Now is the test to do something on a book. Maybe this one. Okay, maybe let's talk about entrepreneur Eric Kaku. Can you see Eric Kaku? Okay, it seems quite nice. Let's compare with the other bunch of brands. Maybe from Faber Castle. Okay, the Faber Castle, Faber Castell. I'm sorry because right now this is the first time even I read this name. I just bought it from a stationery shop. Faber, it's not Castle, it's Castell. Faber Castell. I know this is a famous brand, but this is my first time reading the name. I'm sorry, extremely sorry. You can see this one is more brighter compared to the Sharpie. What is the brand from the Sharpie? Yeah, Sharpie highlighter, clear, as you can see. But do not worry, I'm gonna do one more. This is the Japanese, yeah, Opti X Care. Okay, I think the Faber Castle is the best, but this is not video about that. Let me do something like more. Yeah, it's okay, mediocre best. I like it's clear, so I know where to stop. But it's not that bright. Can you see? 6 out of 10. I was hoping like maybe it is gonna rock my wall, but no, it didn't rock my wall. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy, a geek. Subscribe.